Yes, student, today we are learning circle. The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. So let us understand through the figure. These are many points in the plane. O is the fixed point. Let us connect point with a fixed point. O is fixed point. These lines are fixed distance. This is also fixed distance, and this is also fixed distance. Note, the circle divides the plane in three parts. Number first, part of plane inside the circle. Second, part of plane outside the circle. And number third, part of plane on which circle is drawn. So these are the three parts. Come to the parts of circle. Let us understand it through the figure. This is a circle and a point inside it. This point is called center. This is the fixed point. Let us take a point on the circle, join it. We get a line segment. This is a radius. Infinitely many radius can be drawn. Next, center point in the circle, 2 points on the circle. If we join these 2 points such that it passes through the center, then we get a line segment which will be called as diameter. About the diameter, it is double of radius, and diameter are infinite. It means infinitely many diameter can be drawn. If we take 2 more points on the circle and join it, we get a line segment. What it will be called? A chord. Let us understand more about the chord. If we join the 2 points on the circle, we get line segment. All these line segment will be chord. Now it passes through the center. This is also chord. You can observe that many chords can be drawn. So infinite chords can be drawn. And the diameter is the longest chord. So this point you have to note. Next, if we take 2 points on the circle, then this part of the circle will be called as arc. This is the small part, so this will be called as minor arc. And another will be called as, another is a larger part, so it is called major arc. Now if we take the end point of the diameter, then we have the equal part of the circle. This equal part is called as semicircular arc. This is also equal arc, so it will be called as semicircular arc. Let us move to the next. If we draw a chord, then there is a portion between the chord and the arc. This is called segment. This is smaller one, so it is called minor. This is also a segment. This is major. Let us take another figure. We have 2 points on the circle. If we connect these 2 points, we get, with the center we get radius, 2 radius, and arc have a portion which is called as sector. This is smaller, so minor sector. Another is the larger one, so it will be called as major sector. Moving to the next point, if you move along the boundary of the circle, we are moving along the boundary of the circle, then this total length of the boundary will be called as circumference of the circle. Thank you.